Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Khairul Nazmi bin Adam. I am from JBA 2425E. Today I will talk about evaluation of a website and mobile apps. And my topic is Mobile Legend apps. So the first question is part A, which is I collect the respondent background. So from the respondent, the age of the respondent is mostly from the 22 until 24 years old, which 80%. And then the gender is 90% of them is male. And then I collect the location of the respondent, which mostly from the Johor, which 60%. So mostly all of them is single, and they have the highest respondent is among the bachelor degree student with 65%. And the last question I collect is about the employment status, which is mostly the respondent are among the student with 85%. So we continue to the part B, which is the perceived usability, which is website. So the first question is overall I am satisfied with how easy it used to Mobile Legend website. So the respondent is mostly vote for strongly agree to how satisfied the Mobile Legend website, with the highest vote is 9 respondent of at scale of 4. And then the second question is it was simple to use Mobile Legend website. So the graph both show that the both scale 3 and 4 had same numbers of respondents, which is 7 respondents. Next, I was able to complete the task and scenario quickly using Mobile Legends website. So most of the respondents say that they able to complete the task and scenario quickly using website at the scale of 4 with 50%. The fourth question is I feel comfortable using Mobile Legends website. Most of the respondents is really felt comfortable when using website because they vote with the scale of 4 with total 8 numbers of respondents. 5. It was easy to learn to use Mobile Legends website. More than 50% had voted the website easy to learn at scale of 4. It may be a little bit difficult because of the features, interface, and button. Next, I believe I could become productive quickly using Mobile Legends website. In this graph shows that the highest vote is 11 respondents who vote on scale 4 and only 3 people who vote on scale 5. Number 7. Mobile Legends website gave error messages that clearly told me how to fix problem. So most of the respondents vote on the scale of 3 with a total of 9 respondents, which means this website did not give error messages that clearly told them how to fix the problem. The 8th question, whenever I made a mistake using Mobile Legends website, I could recover easily and quickly. There were 8 respondents who agreed to vote on the scale of 4, which whenever they make a mistake using the Mobile Legends website, they could recover easily and quickly. 9. The information such as online help, on-screen messages and other documentation provided by Mobile Legends website was clear. There was 9 respondents who voted 45% of the total voters agreed to the Mobile Legends website was clear. Number 10, it was easy to find information I needed. So there are 8 people with 40% of them total respondent who agree, which they vote on the scale of 4, which this website is very easy to use to find the necessary information. Number 11. The information was effective in helping me complete the task and scenario. It can be seen that there are 14 respondents agree on the scale of 4 that information was effective in helping them. Number 12, the organization of information on Mobile Legends website screen was clear. From the graph show that there are highest voter with 10 respondents agree that the organization of information on Mobile Legends website screen was clear. Number 13, the interface of Mobile Legends website was pleasant. This graph shows that the highest vote with 9 respondents strongly agree that the interface of Mobile Legends website was pleasant. Next, I like using the interface of Mobile Legends website. The highest vote with 7 response is about 35%. Meanwhile, there are 2 respondents who do not agree that they like to use the interface of Mobile Legends website. Number 15. Mobile Legends website has all the function and capabilities I expect to have. In this graph, it can be seen that many respondents, as many as 8 people, agree that the website has all the function and capabilities. And last question is, overall I am satisfied with Mobile Legends website. Most voters agree that this website is very satisfied, with 40% of them. Next, we move to the part C, which is comment and suggestion. So the first question is, do you play any other Mobile Legends apps? So more than 95% of the respondents say that they are playing other game apps. So next question is, if yes, what Mobile Legends apps do you play? So as you can see in this graph, we can see that there are several mobile game apps that they play apart from Mobile Legends game app. So the highest vote is the PUBG Mobile Metro Royale with 12 respondents, which is 60%. And the last question from the part C is, please provide any comment or suggestion in order to improve other usability and satisfaction of Mobile Legends website. So this is the comment and suggestion for the Mobile Legends website. Next, we move to the part D, which is Mobile Legends app skin. So the first question is, to what extent did the Mobile Legends attract you? So in this graph, it can be seen that the Mobile Legends game is very attractive to the respondent, with the vote of 9 at the scale of 4 and 5. Number 2 is, how much effort did you put into playing Mobile Legends? So this is the response from the respondent, which is such as just for fun, until to join the tournament, more than 1,000 matches a season, daily training, and many others. So number 3 is, did you feel you trying your best? So based on this pie chart, it can be seen that the highest vote are 60% of the respondents who said they had tried their best to play this Mobile Legends game. Number 4, to what extent did you lose track of time? So most of the respondents vote that they lose time while playing the Mobile Legends game for only 1 and 2 hours. Next, did you feel the urge to see what was happening around you? So most of the respondents is basically urged to see what happening around them after the game they play. Next, to what extent you enjoy playing Mobile Legends rather than something you were just doing? So the highest vote were 9 respondents, equivalent to 45%, agreeing to vote on the scale of 4, which they really enjoy playing Mobile Legends. Number 7, to what extent did you feel to find Mobile Legends is challenging? So based on this graph, it shows that the respondent with the most vote on the scale of 5 is as much as 40%. Number 8, how well do you think you perform in Mobile Legends? So respondents agree that they are not very performed in this Mobile Legend. As you can see that they only vote at the scale of 3 and 4 with 40%. Next, to what extent do you feel emotionally attached to the Mobile Legend? The highest vote were the 9 respondents who agreed that they played Mobile Legend emotionally. Number 10, to what extent do you play? Do you enjoy the graphic and imaginary? So, based in this graph, most of the respondents strongly agree that they really enjoy the graphic and imaginary of Mobile Legends. Next, how much would you say you enjoy playing Mobile Legends? The respondents strongly agree that they really enjoy playing this Mobile Legends game. This can be seen from the graph of the 9 respondents voting on the scale of 4. And the last question is, would you like to play Mobile Legends again? So, based on this pie chart, this can be saying that as many as 95% of the respondents agree that they want to play this Mobile Legends game again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.